doesn't matter your creative ambition, it doesn't matter how much you want to invest in digital, it doesn't matter anything if you don't know what your brand is about. First of all, thanks for having me. It was really fun to come and present at Vibe. And not just present, I think that my key takeaway all revolves around how fertile this region is when it comes to creativity.
The places where consumers now are engaging with your brand has exploded.
I mean, I think the experience has been great from the very beginning, from Sanjay contacting us. We thought the organisation was absolutely spot on, and we understood quite quickly that there was going to be a number of potential customers we could speak to here that would benefit from our services. We're only around about 6 months into region, and to have this type of resource and expertise right now is really invaluable for us.
Marketing people, we have to constantly think outside the box and constantly come up with new ideas.
Apart from personal connections of meeting other brand managers, I think a lot of knowledge exchange, a lot of ideas and bright sparks. It's very interesting to see what other brands are doing, what kind of challenges they're facing, how can you actually learn from those challenges, internalize it for your brand and probably implement it in the next working day or Sunday as such. Yeah. How can we create content which engages that person, keeping in mind our brand persona and brand DNA, and going back to whether we can inspire, inform, engage, entertain them.
For me, the takeaway was not so only because I think this should be the case, but also because it was mentioned by several people and also in the forum, that marketeers now should also be technology interested.
What at Nokia we believe technology can do, and a very important thing is technology can help saving lives.
Yeah, very great event, great insights, good to see peers working in different industries, networking, so overall very instructive and entertaining.
I think it was my speakers, the speakers that produce some amazing content. Without content, you wouldn't see people hanging around or attending over 2 days. So I think it was purely the quality of my speakers and the quality of the content that they brought to the table, which let us have delegates attend our fest over 2 days.